Y'all, look what just came. I got 2 ebony brow pencils. Y'all can't see it. Let me see. Sometime my phone it'll try to focus. Excuse my hands. I just came from the bathroom and then get a chance to put lotion on. That is ebony. So it's gonna give you a very, very, very dark brown light. And then this is the blush rose palette. Let me see, is this eyeshadow or blush? It was on sale for the low. Okay, so let's see, can we get this open? Y'all know I have to use my mouth. Look at this, y'all. This gotta be eyeshadow. This is so pretty. I wonder what shade is that. I've been doing a lot of workout and being at the gym at work, so that's why I haven't given you all a whole lot of makeup. But isn't that pretty? Oh my God. I don't know what shade that is. But it's a rose gold. That's what I'm going to say. You all can't really tell it on here. Okay, and then here's the Culture 2. I have the Culture 1 palette. I do. Yeah, so I told y'all that I wasn't gonna get on that elliptical machine again. But I did it today. Yeah, I feel good about myself. And then I ate at 3 o'clock. So this is the Culture 2. This is like a greenish gold. Man, this is so pretty. Y'all, it's even more pretty in person. And these round pans look bigger than the first one. I would have to do a comparison. Now, what I could say is, I wouldn't have had both of these greens and together, because this is like a bluish green. Okay, this is like a bronzy green. This is a yellowy green. This is a yellow green. This is, this is probably doodle green. Okay, then you have another green right here, homage, with your green and your blues. And then this one right here is your green and your yellows and things like that. And then we come over here randomly. We got a medium blue. It looks a little darker in person than it do on the camera. Then you got what looks like an orange, or maybe a y'all know what I'm trying to say. And then you have this purple. It looks more purple in the video looking at the camera, but it's more pink in real life. And then you have the same kind of purple, but it's a tad bit darker with a little bit more pink, and it's a shimmer. And then here's your orange. It looks red. It's more of an orangey brown. And then we come over here. We got what look like a bronzy brown. Then we got like a yellow orange. And then we have these purple pink shimmer. And then this pink silver shimmer. and then this green gold, this one, until you swatch them, and this one almost look similar until you swatch them. You really don't know. And then you have this pink, and then you have this pinky purple. It looks lavender on camera looking at it now, but in real life it looks more purple, but you never know. And then here you have like a peachy pink, and then here you have like a deep brown. Look like it's more red in in person. Then here you have like a beige. Okay, then here you have like a tan. Okay, more like a cream color. And then here you have this shimmery gold, purple, gold lavender. And then you have this blue here. Then you have this lavender here. It looks more blue on the camera when I look at it, but in real life it looks more lavender. And then you have this beautiful hunter green right here. So this is the Culture 2 palette. I will not be swatching this palette right now. But that's the Culture 2 palette. I meant to show y'all my Mariposo palette from Melt. It was brand spanking new. I had swatched it one time and I did 2 looks, and my granddaughter got in it about 2 weeks ago, and you know that thing is the only reason why I'm not really mad at her about it, although I am. Look, this don't want to close, y'all. Okay, I am mad with her about it, but not that mad. It's because I never used it, and I kept looking at it, and I kept saying I need to. Oh, that's my granddaughter, her baby stroller. If y'all seen something on the floor, I said that's her that's my palette that I need to use. I can't wait to use this. I haven't did makeup in so long, y'all. I used to do makeup at lunchtime, but I've been doing a lot of walking. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I finally got it back inside of the box. And then I have my 2 ebony pencils. And I can't wait to use this in the morning when I rise. Oh, and I'm reading this book called Prayers That Work by Kevin L.A. Ewing. And if you know the Bible and you have a Bible, you really don't need that book. But I did it to support Pastor Ewing because I watch him on YouTube, and I like some of the things. I don't agree with everything Pastor Ewing is saying, but I like a lot of what he says. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up my video. Tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. And listen, I still got that Chucky. I still got that Chucky that I got to unbox in front. I think I unboxed it and took a picture already on and posted on YouTube. I did like a shorts or something, but I have to actually use the freaking products. So yeah, I can't wait to get into it. Now I think I don't know if it's Culture #1 or Culture #2 is on sale. I think it's Culture #1 is on sale, which I bought it on sale. And I don't know why I didn't wait for this one to go on sale to purchase it, because it'll probably be like 25 or something % off in a couple of more months. And on Black Friday, hey. So I will buy that Mariposo palette from Milk Cosmetics. I'll repurchase it if she have another like 60% off. And I'll get the Blend Bunny palette. Blend Bunny has a sale right now. And that palette that they had like a couple of months ago or last year, where it had all of them nice, deep, beautiful colors of the rainbow, but it was more dark. That palette is on sale. Beauty in the Frizz had posted about that. If you know her, excuse me, I got indigestion. Excuse me. And I have not bought anything from what is it? The Earthly. It's not Blend Bunny. It's the other one. But I haven't bought anything from them. And then there is some eyeshadows that I want to buy from Amazon. And I think I'm going to get the Physician Formula makeup from Amazon. The foundation from Amazon. I think I'm going to get that. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. Yeah, I can't wait to get into these products, to swatch them for you. And y'all, I just been working out. You know, I've been walking for lunch. I've been getting on the treadmill. I got on the elliptical today. I got on the elliptical yesterday. And I said I wouldn't get back on it yesterday, but I got back on it today. And I'm really proud of myself. I'm starting to feel a little better. The reason why I wasn't feeling better at first on my weight loss journey, because I wasn't exercising enough to give me that boost of energy to burn all the extra fat. Bye.